Hi, and thanks for watching another video from Double Sports in Huddersfield with another Audi TT. So as you can see, this one's Avus Silver with the black roof, and it's got the baseball full interior with it. So it's done 68,000 miles. The last owner owned it for 14 years. As always, we've done a lot of prep on the car. We'll put the full details on the advert, but a brief rundown is wheels have been done. It's got matching Michelin tyres all round with 7mm tread. We've done rust treated underneath, cleaned, painted and sprayed it up. We've removed the sump, as we always do with the TTs now. Check the oil strainer. We've done a cambelt, water pump, thermostat, 4 coils, crank sensor, cam cover, new back brakes, pads, discs, calipers, ball joint, CV boot, dash pods have been done. So again, a lot of time, money and expense has been put into the car. You've got the Bose upgrade as well. All clean, tidy, very well presented for a 24-year-old car. Mileage at the moment is 68589. Stereo buttons are as good as you're gonna find. And then there's the baseball door cards, seats, and steering wheel. All nice and clean and tidy in a original under the bonnet as well. That side's all nice and clean. Wings good. That's just a bit of dust, just a mark on it there. Bumper, bonnet, all good. It's a facelift, so we've got the white headlights. And then all the covers are present and correct. Shocker top mount covers, coolant bottle, engine cover, battery cover. These are the genuine clips for the battery. They're from Audi Tradition, so they're a new style now, which is why they look slightly different. So it's got 12 months MOT with no advisories. We've got good service history with it. It's HPI clear. We do viewing by appointment only. If you're far away and don't want to make 2 trips, we can reserve any vehicle. Full details are provided. Any questions, drop us an email or give us a ring. We're happy to talk to you about the car. Thanks for watching.